Lesson 62. Forgiveness is my function as the light of the world.
Hi there. Have you ever considered finding salvation through forgiveness? Today, let's explore this idea together. Forgiveness will bring the world of darkness to the light. Forgiveness lets us recognize the light in which we see. Forgiveness shows us that we are the light of the world. Forgiveness helps us remember the truth about ourselves. Therefore, forgiveness is the key to our salvation. Illusions about ourselves and the world are one and the same. That's why forgiveness is a gift to ourselves. Our goal is to discover who we truly are. Through our attack thoughts against the creation and the Creator, we have denied our true selves. But we can remember the truth through forgiveness. Attack must be replaced by forgiveness. And thoughts of death must be replaced by thoughts of life. When we attack, we call upon our own weakness. But when we forgive, we call upon the strength of Christ within us. Do you understand the power of forgiveness now? Forgiveness will remove weakness, strain, and fatigue from our minds. It will also eliminate fear, guilt, and pain, helping us to remember the power and protection that God has given us. Forgiveness can restore the invulnerability and power that God has blessed us with. Let's begin and end our day by practicing today's idea. And let's try to use it as much as we can throughout the day. This will bring us the happiness that God intends for us. It will also help those around us, as well as those who seem far away in space and time, to share this happiness with us. Repeat this idea to yourself as often as possible, with your eyes closed if you can.
Forgiveness is my function as the light of the world. I would fulfill my function that I may be happy.
Take a minute or two to think about this and the joy it will bring. Let related thoughts come freely. Your heart will recognize these words as true. If your attention wanders, repeat the idea for today.
Forgiveness is my function as the light of the world. I would fulfill my function that I may be happy.
And then add.
I would remember this because I want to be happy.
You're doing great. Let's continue to explore these powerful concepts together. See you tomorrow for another enlightening lesson.
If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. Thanks. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. There's a new lesson every day.